Thank you, Honorable Joseph Nan. Yes, we have included Nasovotava village crossing in the FRA's forward works for the next financial year, specifically 2025-26. This means that the necessary resources and plans have been drawn up. For the current financial year, the survey and design works for the replacement crossing is close to completion. These preliminary steps are crucial to ensure that design meets the safety and capacity needs of the area while considering the flood risks which led to the damage in 2012. The design will consider the lessons learned from those floods, especially climate resilience, so that it can withstand future challenges. Includes appropriate material, structural response and modifications. Consultations are ongoing with the affected communities, including the residents of Nasovotava. So as mentioned, Nasovotava, yeah. The replacement will not only improve the safety and accessibility, but also enhance the resilience of the Valley Road network. Government is fully committed to addressing the needs of all Fijians, especially in our rural and flood-affected areas. And we recognize the importance of connecting our rural communities. To conclude, I fail to understand why I'm being asked about Nasovotava crossing, because you could have asked former Minister for Infrastructure and his assistant. Yes, they had 10 years. From 2012 to 2022, 10 years, but it was not addressed. So as a government for the people, for the Fijians in the rural areas which have been not addressed, we will definitely look into those. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Filipe Tuisawau.